I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers who participated actively on the community poll, the question posted on August 7th, that is yesterday. It was related to a trigonometric identity. We know that Pythagorean trigonometric identity is sine square x plus cos square x equals to 1. Now here we have shown few steps to rearrange this identity and isolate sine x. So sine square x plus cos square x is 1. Taking cos square x on the right hand side, we get sine square x equals to 1 minus cos square x, and then we can square root to isolate sine x. So sine x equals to square root of 1 minus cos square x. Now the question is sine x equals to 1 minus cos square x an identity? Many students said yes to it. But what do you think? It is an identity or not? That is what we are going to explore today in this particular video, where I am going to provide you with complete solution. You can always join my classes and learn directly from me by sending an email on the address given. We do organize individual and group classes. You can excel as many students have done before.
The winner of this year's Certificate of Achievement Schulich Leader Award is anil.anilkhandelwal.
Great. Our student Akshat gets highest marks and the most prestigious Schulich Leader Award. You can be there. Join our summer classes and get ready for bright future.
At this particular stage, when you're doing square root on both the sides, in that case, is it square root of sine x, is it equals to sine x? No, it is not. And that is why we say that this equation is not an identity. You get the idea. This equation is not an identity. So we know that this is not an identity. Why? Well, here is a hint for you. The hint is a very important question which you should be asking for. On the right hand side, we have the square root, right? Can square root be negative? No, the output has to be positive. Now, we have sine x on the left hand side. Is sine x only positive? No, we know sine x is between minus 1 and plus 1, right? The graph for sine x is something like this, right? We know that the value of sine x is between minus 1 and plus 1. So that means it has a negative value. If you look into the quadrants, we know the rule, the cost rule. We know sine is positive only in quadrant 1 and 2. And therefore, we can write sine x is negative in quadrant 3 and 4. And therefore, this is not an identity. So what could be the identity? Can you tell me that? So if square root of 1 minus cos square x is not equal to sine x, then what is it equal to? it is equal to absolute value of sin x. You get the idea. It is equal to absolute value of sin x, not just sin x, because it is always positive. Perfect. You could also write this as sin x is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos square x. Now, depending on the value of x, we have to select which one is the right answer. Perfect. So, when we talk about identity, then truly speaking, the identity is 1 minus cos square x is equal to absolute value of sin x. I hope this is absolutely clear. Perfect. Well, you can always send an email to me and learn from me in person. Feel free to like and subscribe my videos and post questions and suggestions. I'm looking forward for more questions from your side. Let me know what is the next video or what is the next question you want. Participate actively on our channel. Thank you and have a great day.